Welcome to the Solis Cloud service. This video will demonstrate how to add owners and visitors. Set owner. Please open the Solis Cloud application. On the main interface of the app, locate and select the power station you have created. After entering the power station interface, please click Info in the upper right corner, where you can view the basic information of the selected power station. Next, please click Dot and select Modify Info. On this page, please click on Linked Account. Please select the option to set up an owner and enter the email address you wish to assign to the owner. Click Next, and after confirming the owner's information, you will have successfully associated the owner's account. Add visitor. Now please click on the option to add a visitor and enter the email address you wish to assign to the visitor. Click Next again. And after confirming the visitor information, your visitor account will also be successfully associated. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.